Hi, I'm Josh from Kleen. Today we're here with our Water Otter trailer. This unit here isn't our standard Water Otter. It has been custom built for our customer. It features an 8-gallon 3,500 PSI hot water unit. It got a GX 690 24 horsepower Honda general pump. It's rigged up with 2 hose reels, so we had dual operators washing off this, 4 gallons a minute, 3,500 PSI at each one. At the back of the trailer, we also have it rigged up with a hose reel with our jetter hose on that, so it can be for using for jetting, thawing. It's multiple applications this unit can be used for. We have our 2-inch Honda trash pump here to feed our spray bar at the back for dust suppression. And on our trailer here, we have our hose storage, so this would be for our hard suction here. Just quick storage here so you can see it, set her in, away you go. Some of our customers will actually put pale chemical in there, different applications, so just a nice little spot for storage over top of the fender. Come back to the back of the trailer here. We have our spray bar mounted at the back. Like I said before, this is for dust suppression. We also have a dump valve on this, so if that tank's full, you can open that up. That way if you have jerry cans or water cans you want to fill up, you can actually do that with a quick fill on that. This is our jetter reel, so this is set up with 300 feet of 3/8 jetter hose. This customer here will be jetting, thawing, multiple applications that they'll be using this in. Over top this fender, we actually have our toolbox here, added for storage. So fitting, nozzles, anything that's loose, you know, we got it in there, it's secured, it's safe, it's protected from the elements. And up here we have our 2 hose reels that are mounted. We have them mounted here with high pressure ball valves, so if it's just one operator, doesn't have the second guy, you can actually shut that reel off. This operator can have all 8 gallons per minute, 3,500 PSI, so if he's washing a track out or something like that, he has all the flow to make the job a lot faster. Down here we have our dump valve on the tank for draining. Also, a lot of our customers, are contractors, so concrete cutting tools, different applications there. So you can actually hook a garden hose, open this up. If you have a Hilti concrete saw, hook that right on, away you go, keep moving. Nice setup, we've got 2 clean hose reels here for the customer. Pull the hose off, reel it up, good to go. On the side here, we got our pressure gauge mounted, easy to get to. You see the pressure, 3,500 PSI. If you want to back that down, you can. Pressure's right there. Our diesel fuel here, easy to get to. Our gas is here, easy to get to. We have a rain cap on top of the coil, so if this is left outside, you don't have to worry about anything getting down on top of that coil. It's well protected. Our customer that ordered this is in the rental industry. He is also a contractor, so they've ordered a machine that they could see this being used in multiple applications. So for the rental, sewer municipality will be renting this from them, thawing of culverts, hydrants, all sorts of things. Homeowner, construction companies, they want to pressure wash their buildings, their equipment. They hook on this, they got the water, they got the hose reels, it's all set up ready to go. So this machine will be making the money on their contractor side, also be making money on the rental side. It's a nice unit, tidy, 525 gallon water tank, tandem 5,200 pound axles on this unit. Also up here, nice thing, we got the guard on here, so driving down the highway, no rocks, no debris can fly up and hit the machine or hit that, so it's well protected. Also, nice advertising spot, so if you're a rental company, you can put your name, your logo, your phone number on there. It's all buckled up for you. So this is a great setup here. It's well protected and thought out. It's foolproof. And once this gets on a job site, this isn't leaving. This is going to stay on a rental job site all the time. 1, for to clean their equipment off. 2, they get water and dust suppression there. So multiple applications for this. This is going to be used and make you a lot of money. So give us a call today. Find a little bit more out about these. 1-800-315-5533. Ask for Josh.